What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another daily forecast or daily review video. So I'm going to start with the DXY. Okay, so the DXY is still high up in this high time frame point of interest. Ideally, what I love to see is Tuesday set the high, which it did, but then I would like to see price come back and close above the Monday's low in this case, but we didn't see that. So the next thing on my weekly profiles is if we didn't get a break and close above or below the Monday's low, then I am expecting price to either shoot from where it is, or Asian session and London session might push just so we can wick above this and create a high on Wednesday. Then I would be expecting price to push down and create a weekly low. The only high impact news we had was Monday, and that was at the 8:30 open, and then today we really didn't have any impact news to speak of, really, apart from Jerome Powell speaking. Okay, so my bias for DXY is still bearish because we need to set a low of the week. So what am I most likely looking at for tomorrow? Two options. Price could, from where it is, maybe just dip down further into this larger time frame wick, and then we could see a sell-off, or we could take liquidity up here, creating a high on Wednesday, and then watch the market sell off. So then we move to oil. Oil had a fair value gap. I was looking at, was it on the 1 hour? Yes, it was on the 1 hour. Had a fair value gap and an order block. So yesterday I did mention this order block right here, and I did mention this fair value gap. We have closed above the 50% of the order block, I believe. Is it really? I'm sort of just eyeballing the 50%, and we pushed to the upside, and we have closed above this new order block right here. So what am I expecting for tomorrow? Let me have a look, see on the 15 minutes, see if there's anything for us to see or look at. It's the same thing. I am still bullish on this. My analysis would be, maybe, you see, the thing with oil is it doesn't necessarily follow the classic weekly profile, which is a low on Tuesday, a high on Wednesday or Thursday if you're bullish. Sometimes it does tend to range, and already I don't like this right here. I don't like the way the market is presenting right here. So I would still be bullish if we don't get a break of this. If we do get a week, then I am still bullish. So Wednesday, tomorrow, we might have the market come maybe deeper, looking at Asian session and London session. We could come deeper into this, creating a low on Wednesday as well. But if we don't, there is a fair value gap that the market is currently sitting in, and from here, if we push up and break and close above this, we should have another fair value gap forming here. So it depends on what the market does during the Asian session. So if we do push to the upside and there's a fair value gap, I would be expecting London to come down into the fair value gap, and then expect continuation to the upside on oil. Let's move down to EU. EU was great. It did tap into a higher time frame fair value gap right here. We did take previous week's low right there, which makes me bullish, because now we are assuming we are hunting internal range liquidity. Market structure on this leg right here looks very corrective, because I am still very bullish. So just like what I expect to happen on DXY, we could get a push down into this, but more than likely we could have liquidity get taken from below this low here, creating a low on Wednesday, and then we should expect higher prices from Wednesday through Thursday. Okay, so that is currently what I'm looking at. Today was pretty. We did have a trade from around here, and I took another one from around here. So your daily targets is 20 pips. So I got 20 pips from here, and I got 20 pips from there, which was 40 pips for the day. Okay, let's move down to GU, see what GU did. GU still hasn't tapped into this higher time frame fair value gap. That is why I am considering Wednesday dipping into this, because that's the only day that I see GU aligning with EU with this higher time frame fair value gap. So I could potentially see London session or Asian session tap into this for GU before we start seeing price move to the upside. Alright, so I think I am done with the daily review. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.